All new right now on the WHAS 1119, the U.S. Department of Justice is now investigating Kentucky's Department of Juvenile Justice. This announcement follows a lawsuit against the Adair County, Kentucky Youth Detention Center filed earlier this year by two women who claimed their children were abused and neglected inside that facility. WHAS 1119's Alex Dieterer and photojournalist Elijah McKenzie found that state leaders are not surprised by the investigation.
The DOJ is stepping in to investigate allegations of civil rights violations at Kentucky's youth detention centers. One case that made news in Louisville involved the detention center in Linden. In 2022, a riot at the Adair County Juvenile Detention Center may have been related to a fire that broke out at the Linden Center. A few days before the riot, some juveniles were transferred to Adair County from that Linden Center. U.S. Assistant Attorney General Kristen Clark announced the investigation Wednesday in a video, saying the DOJ will review whether or not there are unconstitutional conditions in Kentucky facilities,
including use of unreasonable physical and chemical force by staff, inappropriate use of isolation, failure to protect children from physical and sexual abuse, and adequate mental health care.
These facilities are using isolation, solitary confinement for children about 200 times per month. Their education is overly relying on computers and worksheets. Medicine has been withheld as a punitive measure.
Given the alleged conditions at the centers, the investigation wasn't a surprise to ACLU Kentucky legal fellow Kevin Mensch.
Issues with Kentucky's juvenile justice system have been going on for years.
Kentucky State Representative Kevin Bratcher of Louisville also reacting to the announcement. He sponsored a 2023 state law putting money into the system for improvements.
There's a lot of practices and culture in the DJJ system that needs to be changed. And we have been telling them in the legislature for years.
The investigation is focusing on detention centers in Kentucky that are mainly holding children who are awaiting a court hearing.
What I've seen in the past, they come in and pretty much overturn everything and dig from the bottom up. So that's what they need to do.
The DOJ's investigation will also examine whether the state provides the required services to children with disabilities. In Louisville, Alex Dieterer with photojournalist Elijah McKenzie, the WHAS 11 team on your side.
In a statement given to WHAS 11 News today, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear says over the past 4 years, the administration has enacted the most extensive reforms to the Department of Juvenile Justice since its inception, saying that they will also fully cooperate with this federal investigation.